Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to Codewithtec, and I'm excited to do this video with you today. We are going to be looking at CSS animation. I will tell video in under this topic, CSS animation. If you are new to the channel guys, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe. All right, we are going on this channel and we are helping beginner developers, we are helping intermediate, we are even helping advanced level developer to understand what it takes in this field. All right, so guys, please, without further ado, let's get into the lesson. We will be looking at lesson 3 on animation. Okay, so in here, if you see here, I've created a quick HTML body plate, and with the HTML body plate we have CSS animation lesson 3 and we have CSS animation lesson 3 in the body itself here, and we just want to create something here, the div, and then save it and come up here in the hair section and create the style, because we want to use our internal styling. Okay, we don't want to use external styling, we want our internal styling. Now in this area, after saving it, we just want to start our div quickly. Want to start our div. So to start the div now, we will say the width of the div should be 200 pixel. 200 pixel, the same as the height should be 200 pixel. Okay, we come down, we say the width should be 200 pixel, the height should be 200 pixel. We say the background color should be blue. Okay, we come down here, we say position should be relative. Okay, after giving it the position relative, we want to give animation name should be moving. All right, now we come down here, we say animation duration should be 4 seconds. all right, for each animation should be 4 seconds. Now if I save this and then open this into the browser once more, there's the result that we'll have. Okay, now with that being said, we want to add some features to this. All right, we want to add some features to this. We want to add border radius. We want to say border radius should be 12 pixel. Okay, and we want to come here, we say filter, we say drop down shadow 1 pixel, and here will be 6 pixel. Now we save this. After saving that, we can push it on the side, come here. Okay, we'll refresh this. Voila, this is what we have. Okay, we can push this on the side now and bring our core editor on this side as well. So the next thing we want to do, we want to get into the animation portion of this now. So we'll call keyframe, and the next thing we want to do, the animation name is moving. Now we open this up, we say at 0% of our animation. At 0% of our animation, we need this to be in this shape. All right, firstly we need this animation here. Let's take our background color first. Background color, we need it to be blue. Okay, now I'm going to open this up for our visual imperative. All right, now the next thing, after saying this should be blue, that is just one face. We want to say left should be 0. Okay, 0 pixel, and then we move forward to the next place. We say top should also be 0 pixel. Okay, good. After doing that, we save it. We come here again, we take the next line of code, we say at 25%. We say our background color should be red. After saying background color should be red, we say left should be 200 pixel, Okay, 200 pixel. After saying left should be 200 pixel, we move on, we say right. Left should be 200 pixel and top should be 0 pixel here. Top should be 0 pixel. Good. Now we can get out of that and go to the next place, which is 50%. All right, guys, we need to hurry with this. So we say background color. Background color should be yellow. Good. Okay, now the next thing we need here, background color should be yellow. Left should be 200 pixel. 200 pixel. Good. And our top should also be 200 pixel. Good. The next area we need to move on to will be 75%. Okay, 75%. So with this 75%, we want to say background color should be green. All right, after background color being green, we need to have our left and top. All right, so we have left 0 pixel, we have top being 200 pixel. Good. Now top 200 pixel, left 200 pixel for 75%. The next thing we need to do is our 100%. Good, guys, this will be the last thing we need to do so far. So for this, we say our background color should be yellow, green, we'll take purple. All right, we'll take purple for now. So we'll give it the left should be 0 pixel. All right, and we say our top should also be 0 pixel. Good. We save this. Now after saving this, we want to push this on the side, come to our browser, refresh our browser, and see what happens. All right, now if we refresh our browser, now you see this smooth movement. All right, you see this small movement here all around. You see this small movement. You see this small movement. Now if we want this to be coming all across the board and other thing, we can push this back on the side and come back to our animation place here, and then we change these things to percentage. All right, we change this pixel to percentage. We say 0%, and here we say 0%. Here we say 100%. 100%, and here we say 0%. Good. Here we have 200%. We say 100%, and here we say 100%, and here will be 100%. Here will be 0%. Here will also be 0%. 0%, and here will also be 0%. 0%. We save this. After saving, the push this across, we come and refresh our code. Now we have this. Now we have this. So refresh it. Now we see it go across and come back. All right, go across and come back. All right, so this is another way that you could do your animation. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope that we learned something from this quick tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope that for those of you who are new, you should please give us a subscribe. Guys, please subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.